Muted.
Hi there, I'm Mark Sebastian, founder of OptionPit.com, and this is the AM Volatility Report. Reminder, this is for educational purposes only. Nothing should be considered investment advice. Options have risk. Consult your financial professional. Here we are. Vol is down yet again. We now have VIX with a 10 handle again. Didn't think it could happen, but it has. VIX-MO, 1045. I mean, they're just demolishing VIX futures. I mean, March that expires next week, 11.6. April's are in the 13s. May is down to 14. June is down to 15. I mean, it's just nutty. I mean, just shockingly nutty is the way I would put it. So there is just a lot going on here, and yet nothing going on. All right. So volatility is really low. Vol is now down to 75, about as cheap as it gets. You know, all of the major vol indexes are dirt cheap. Even the RBX is below 15. Then I look around, my gas stocks, Apple is unchanged, Amazon unchanged, Facebook and Google both unchanged. So just a slow day. A little softness in the financials today. As you can see, you know, Goldman is down a little bit, JP Morgan is up, but Goldman a little soft today. You know, kind of everything a touch soft today. So even though the S&P is up, it feels a little mushy, the market. Feels a little mushy. You know, aside from some strength from some of the retail players, doesn't seem to be a lot out there. So then, you know, you look at USO, oil seems to have stabilized, it's no longer tanking. Bonds, now that it's been, we're post-Fed for a little while, they're back up to, you know, 118, whatever. Gold, everyone's favorite. No, back up to 117. I still think it's going to be going lower, but that is showing a little bit of a dead cat bounce. How about Valiant? This is why when you get that little pop, it's important to take money quickly. I want everybody to kind of take a look at what its day chart looks like. Pre-market, this was 1170. And then if I look at the tick chart, you can see it actually opened up 1155, 1156, and has since dropped down to about 1105 before coming back a little bit. But, you know, when you get these little mini news-driven events, you have to take the money. I was long some of these 11 calls for about 32 cents. I dumped almost all of them at 58, but those, you know, I kept a few, and I'm eating it on those few. So should have sold all of them is basically the moral of the story there. You know, some other movers. Look at Snapchat. Boy, this is one we thought was going to fly around, and has since just turned into a boring death machine. Again, this is one where there's probably some opportunity. It's got tight markets and high vol. There's probably something that can be done in this name to trade around it. If they don't have any earnings, not going to have to report monthly user growth, so you got that going for it. Transpos continue to be soft, which again kind of surprises me, but they do. And you know, that's been kind of the thing. The vol ETNs are down, but you look at the sectors, all red except for building materials. You know, materials is the only thing up today. XLE is down, XLY, XLU, XLF, XRT is down. I mean, just they're all down. So feels a little mushy, feels a little soft. I think that we're going to go red on the day. That's just the way it kind of feels, and kind of feels like the market's wants to give this away. So I think we back off. All right, folks. Hope everybody has a great morning, and I will talk to you soon. If you have questions, you can email me, mark@optionpit.com, or call me 888-TRADE-01.